Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well today. I will do unboxing of this. So I have something sweet for this year. So this is the M&Ms 3D Advent Calendar. So yeah, that's how it looks like. And this is the back, and you can already see what's in this box. So yeah, this is the first candy sweet or something like that I will be opening this year. So I'm actually excited, and yep, I'm excited. Can you see this chocolate peanut crispy M&Ms 3D Advent Calendar? So yeah, who doesn't know and who doesn't like M&M? Because I do. And yeah, this one retails for 11 euros or 10 euros and 99 cents, but it's actually on sale when I check it today in Tesco. So yeah, so I decided to buy and unbox this advent calendar with you, and I hope you're excited like me. And yeah, let's start the unboxing now. So let's start from here. It's still closed, as you can see, but there's no plastic protection in this box. I don't know how to open this, and I don't want to break this box actually. Oh my god, this is actually broken. I did not notice when I purchased it. This is taking a lot of work. It's like I need to remove this from inside to be able to open this box, as you can see, and the same as on the other side. Oh my god, I already broke the box, which is not part of the plan. So let's go. Okay, this side. Okay, why it's not working? Oh, I thought it's 3D, so maybe let's try to. Okay, so this is the magic. Ooh, wow. I don't know why I opened from this side if the doors are on this part. So this is the advent calendar. Let's use this one and fix this. Should be like this, I think. So yeah. So anyway, let's start with opening this box now, and let's start with the number 1, which is here. Let's do it like this. First day is mini of this chocolate. This is the day 1. Nice. Ooh, we have small candies inside. I'm excited. So day 2 is here. I saw it before the number 1. They're the same. So I don't like doing unboxing and getting the same thing. Yep. Day number 3 is here. You can see brown color of plastic. Okay, let's try this one. And you know what you will expect. So we have the small candies that very tasty. M&Ms. So day number 4 is here, but they have like different shapes of the doors. There are like also designs on the doors. You can see perhaps a star, this candy, box and the mailbox. So yep, we have another. This is peanut flavor. Okay. This is the big candy with peanut inside. Day number 5 is here. It's the same. Day number 6 is here. Okay. Oh, it's different design. This one has Christmas tree, and this one is like a snowball, but the same type of chocolate that you will get. They have the same name, like chocolate written there. And day number 7 is here. The same. What's the number 6? Day number 8. Oh, different packaging, but it's still the same as the peanut that I got earlier. That's how it looks like. Day number 9 is here. A different packaging, but it's a chocolate. But that's the snowman. Okay, that's a little bit scary. So day number 10 is here. What? You can just check the designs or drawings on the packaging. They are not all the same. Even if it's like the same thing inside, the same food. So day number 11 is here. That's the same as the first chocolate. Day number 12 is here. Okay, this one is different. Day number 13 is here. It's another new packaging. Anyway, let's try the peanut flavor, but I'm going to take the one with the from the first. I know how very what I expect from this peanut. Let's eat the chocolate. The orange tastes better. Tasty. Chocolate, I think the peanut is tastier than the chocolate itself because it has like other flavor. There's a peanut. We're now on the day 14. I saw it where it is. No. This is the 14. Okay, another one. Day number 15. Yeah. Okay. Footsteps. This is also chocolate flavor. Day number 16 is here. It's peanut. Day number 17 is here. This is the number 17 with the bell. Day number 18 is here. We have another chocolate. Day number 19 is here. Oh. Day number 20 is here. corridor. We have chocolate. Day 21 is here. We have peanut. Day number 22 is here. The same peanut with the star. Day number 23 is here. We're almost there. Here's the 23. And this is the last day. Bigger door, and I hope bigger M&M. Yeah. Oh. So yeah, this is the last day. This is day 24. This is the crispy one. The crispy one is actually the tastiest. So they only have one. So here's the 3D. I think I need to put this up. I broke some. And I'm going to fix this. So here's the 3D advent calendar looks like. I broke few of the boxes and it's hard to like put it up again because I don't know. So it's actually nice. Can you see? Well, yep. So I actually bought it for minus 70%, so it was like around for almost €4. Well, I think that's not bad. I'm getting a lot of M&Ms to be fat. So yeah, that's pretty all for today. Let me drink some coffee. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of this M&M's 3D Advent Calendar, which I thought 30-day Advent Calendar. Sorry about that. So yeah, that's all for today. I'm actually happy with this Advent Calendar. Thank you so much and hope you enjoy and have a great week. And see you again in my next video. Bye-bye.